Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Green color, blue color, orange color, chocolate color, purple color, red color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Heart, rectangle, pentagon, star, oval and circle. First we're going to draw the shapes. Heart, next rectangle, next pentagon, next star, next oval, next circle. Now we're going to put the color. Red color, heart. Next, purple color, rectangle. Next, chocolate color, pentagon. Next, orange color, star. Next, green color, oval. Next, blue color, circle. What we learn? We learn red color, heart, purple color, rectangle, chocolate color, pentagon, orange color, star, green color, oval, blue color, circle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.